Hi everyone, I'm Femi. I'm a student of DOT, Dynamic Online Tutorial, and I got 324 in my UTME examination this year, 2025 UTME examination. So I'm here to show you my academic journey with DOT and how it impacted me positively to get 324 in my UTME examination. So I came across DOT in February. Actually February was quite late for me because they have done a lot of classes and they have done a lot of mocks exams and all those things. But I was able to catch up because DOT never look down on their students, and they always put everybody in pace. So they put me in pace, and they also set us on the right track to access all our necessities for exams, and also give us mock examinations. Talking about the classes of DOT actually had well-structured classes with well-dedicated tutors. I remember Dr. Trav, one of the best tutors I've ever had, and he also impacted me positively with my other tutors. They all impacted us positively, and they gave us the right morale. They boosted our morale. We thinking that we couldn't get up to 280, smash 300 plus. We had a lot of students with 300 plus this year, and they were so marveled and we were so surprised. And without using a lot of quantifiers, DOT is just actually the best tutorial to go to. And DOT actually had a lot of mentorship programs, and even the best one, which was TDB. We call it TDB. TDB is what we call till daybreak practice, and that was what we did most of the times. We actually read all through the night till daybreak. That's why we call it till daybreak. So we did it, and we were used to it, and we started getting ourselves accustomed to the nocturnal practices of a good student, which DOT made us to be. And I'm bold enough to say DOT is one of the best tutorials you can ever think of, and it's also one of the best in students in JAMB of next year, JAMB, and I assure a massive score with hard work, resilience, and also patience. You'll get there. So, like the word I used to say during my JAMB time, making the impossible possible. Actually, I wanted to get 280, but I ended up getting 324. So I ended up getting 44 marks above my dream score. So I just wanted to know that there's nothing you can do, and you can do all things if you're prepared and you have the resilience and you have the determination to do it. Go out there and become academic giants. Good luck. DOT to the world.